What's up, you guys? I'm Ryan. I'm going to be showing you how to install the new Fish Pro front cup holder and rod holder mount. What this is a bracket that you mount right here. It allows you to put the cup holder, and Sea-Doo also makes a rod holder that you use in combination with this piece. It allows you to put your rod holder here so you can have your fishing pole hanging off the edge. Basically, this will mount on any Sea-Doo that has this shaped plastic panel here, the bigger hole, the GTX, Rxt-x, and the Fish Pro models. This is all the tools you're going to need to make this thing work. I'm making this after the fact. You can see it's already installed up there. I have templates that I printed offline. I'll put links up for those, some masking tape to hold those in place, and a pin, because one of them I had to transfer the marks over if you're installing on the right side. I use a small wrench and a flathead screwdriver for one of the pieces of hardware you need to get the plastic off. A holder for those bits. I have a 3/8 drill bit and a hand drill, a knife to clean up the holes after you drill them, and a, 5/16 socket here for the hardware for the kit. And that's all you need to install this thing. We'll start by taking the seat off. You'll want to open the lid. For now, I'm only installing the front bracket kit on the right side because I'm afraid it may interfere with my speaker controls on the left side. So mine will be going here. Once you get it opened up to this point, you'll see two pieces of hardware here and here. You'll need to remove those. This is what I'm gonna have to use the flathead screwdriver for. It's a plastic rivet, and you have to remove the inner piece, and then the whole thing will come out. I've got the smallest ratchet I can find in my kit. I'm gonna put under one side of it. Under the other side, I'm gonna put my flathead screwdriver, and I'm gonna kind of pry out on both sides at the same time. Alright, I'm going to show you a close-up. See how the middle piece slides out? It comes out to that point, and the whole piece should come out just like that. The lower piece of hardware here holding this plastic panel on is a T27 torque style bit. It's just threaded into the fiberglass. There's no fastener on the back side, no need to have a second tool. Once you get these two fasteners out, you're able to pick straight up on this whole plastic panel here. Careful here, it has the feet around this edge. And the whole thing should come up and slide straight toward the back. And there you have it. Okay, so I have these templates here that I printed offline right there. There's some instructions I've been going by, so I haven't seen any other instructional videos on this. I'll put links to those if I haven't mentioned that already. What you do is you take these templates. I know my dots are on the wrong side. I'm going to transfer those over to this side in just a second. But I'm going to tape these in place with my masking tape. And have another one here as well. It goes, it's blowing away. I'll catch it in a second. It goes somewhere down here like so. Like this. I'll tape that in place where it belongs here in just a minute, and I'll drill the holes. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I have it taped together. Alright, I taped my templates on where they belong. A good rule of thumb when you're using templates, make sure you get them in the right spot the first time. Double check it, triple check it. I always like to put 3 points of contact on whatever you're using to stick it down. That way there's no chance of these shifting around. I've got them on. I'm going to eyeball them one more time, make sure it looks good to go. That looks perfect. Let's drill. Alright, I got my 3/8 bit in the drill. Got the part propped up here where I can drill it. Let's get her done. Got all the holes drilled. We can peel the template off now. Clean all the plastic out. The holes still have a little extra plastic on them because I drilled from the back side, so I'm just going to take a pocket knife and clean that up a little bit. Alright, now that we have the holes drilled and cleaned up, I'm going to use the hardware the kit came with and a 5/16 socket here. You just hold the part in place. This is just tightening into plastic, so you don't want to get too crazy tightening this up. Just put it good and snug. That's all you need. And the same thing with your bottom portion. Make sure your holes are good and cleaned out. Hold the part in place. Make sure it still lines up properly. And install the hardware. And there you have it. 2 pieces installed onto the side panel. I'm going to clean this up a little bit while I have it off and put it back on. Alright, putting this piece back on is the same as taking it off. You have these front clips here you need to get in first, and then these alignment clips here you need to come in from the top. So you'll put the front in and then the top down, and then you'll put your 2 pieces of hardware back in. You feed it above the speaker if you have speakers on yours. Get that top hook clipped in, and then the top alignment pin. And then right here, you'll want to make sure not to scratch your plastic because it will rub against it here. So kind of pry away here. And there she is, she's clipped in place. Now it's a matter of putting your 2 pieces of hardware back in. Your pin just pushes in. Torque screw just screws back in. Close your lid. Now you reinstall your seats. Put the cup holder itself on, has a little hook and a latch here. You don't have to mash that to put it on, but to take it off, you'll need to press that and pull up on it. It just clips here on the front. You have a cup holder here just above the speaker, and your rod holder would mount in this hole and this hole. I'm gonna look at it from on the Sea-Doo. Still have plenty of knee room, even if you had the rod holder on, still have plenty of room with the speaker. I brought a bottle here to try out. Put it in, no interference with the steering. Everything seems good. that's all there is to installing the front support for the cup holder and rod holder on your Sea-Doo. If you like this video and you want to see more Sea-Doo videos, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. Check out my other videos I already have. We went camping on the island with this thing, had all kind of gear strapped on it. We made a pretty funny video about that. Go check it out. So let me know if you want to see more videos. Peace.